Ah, oh, that's hot.
Shit.
That's
Here we go
hot.
again.
Hey, people. Garrett here from My Digi Affiliate, and today we're going to continue on our process using the $25 all-in-one digital business and promoting it using my lead gen secrets. All right, so as you know, the $25 business has the most immaculate affiliate system I've ever seen. 80% commissions, and it's recurring. 80% recurring commissions. You will never see that. You won't even see half that. You won't even see 40% recurring commission. Highs I've seen is like 30 something, 33, 35, something like that. Which is amazing. So that's why I say promote this product. Promote this product. So you know, it's like it works like any other funnel builder or something like that. You have to have the product to promote it. Yeah, it's really worth, man. And plus, you can use it. It's a funnel builder. You can use that in everything you do. So, all right. So this is what we're gonna do here. We're gonna go to my lead gen here. Now, my last email, my emails that I just make on the spot seem to work really well. So we're gonna go with that. As you know, I got a sale. Was it yesterday? I got a sale yesterday or the day before one of these type of emails. Instead of using emails that they gave me, you know, one I just make on the spot seem to work better. So that's what we're gonna do again, guys. So we're gonna come to this page here. This is the page we're gonna send them to. We're gonna come to the page and see if we can find something else here. A very good title. Great Oats. Limited Wood Forever. Let's click on that. Pretty much saying the same thing. Okay, get you to. Let's do this. Copy. Alright, so we'll put this in right here. Alright. Alright, so we need us a. Put this in. All right, so let's get this to. So we're gonna take this. We're gonna post this in as well. That paste. Boom. It's gonna be the same thing. Then put something like click here. Click out. Now you don't need to put you don't need to put sincerely, whatever. You don't gotta do that if you don't want to. In fact, the email that got me to sell the other day, I ain't put none of that stuff. So you ain't gotta stress about it too hard, guys. Like, you miss one little thing, don't worry about it. It'll still work well. So anyway, we're gonna get the page now. Once you sign in, you're gonna be able to go to this page here, which is where you get your sales at and such. And what we're going with here now, I only had 4 conversions, but like I stated before, one person opted out. But here's the thing about that: if they ever come back, they'll come back under me, because the cookie lasts forever. I think it's like a year or something. It takes a very long time for it to go away. So if they ever come back to it, I'm getting the commission. Always remember that. All right, so we got 3 people in the system right now, so that's $360 a month. So anyway, you want to get this here for you for your sales, guys. But I made it a affiliate, so I made it a domain so it look a little nicer. So I got an incomespeech.com for sales. I just do that instead. But you guys can get the page from there. It looks a little cleaner when I do that. So that's why I made, I bought a domain name to make it look a little cleaner. So anyway, that's good, guys. And you just put that in there. We're just gonna bold a couple of things that are underlined. We're gonna bold. Right, I think that's good. Yeah, we're gonna stick to that. Oh, I think that looks pretty good. We're gonna stick to that, guys. Very solid. Click here to check it out. All right, make sure to hit perfect timing. What perfect timing does, make sure you get the email around the time it comes out. I just clicked down the preview there to make it seem to see if it works really well. It works really well. The link works, so that's all there is to it. Let's send it. It's just that easy, guys. Just that simple. 5 minutes of your time every day, and you're building yourself some income, some profitable income. So okay, what we're gonna do, we're gonna log out here. No, we ain't gonna log out here. We're gonna make a tab here, do another one, so we can copy paste, and then we're gonna log out on the tab. So we're gonna go to our next account, since we're using 3 accounts to do this. I'm gonna go mailing system. We're just gonna copy paste, guys. We're gonna copy paste. Delete. Boom, boom, boom. Here. And we're just gonna send, guys. Simple as that. We'll wait till that send, and then we'll go to our next account. All right, it's been sent, so we're going to the next one. 3 accounts, guys. Similar things I did. I'm gonna click on that. I'm going as fast as I can for you guys, but it's this simple. It's very easy to do. I'm just copy pasting. There's nothing you can learn from this. So there's no reason to take my time with it. So we're gonna get that done. Boom, all 3 accounts. Sent the email to all 3. All right, guys. And I show you guys this, so I want y'all to know I spend $90 a month on having 3 accounts. On having 3 accounts of my lead gen secret. All right, I spend that every month, and I've been doing. I don't had it since December. I don't had it early. I had my first account earlier than that, but I don't have all these accounts since like December or January, somewhere around there. And I haven't cut it off yet because I'm making money off of it. I'm making more money than I'm spending on it. So right now we got in 2 sales, and we got recurring commission sales. It was so important, guys. That's why I'm trying to show you guys this system here. Like $25 bill, digital business. You come in, and it's recurring sales, guys. Once you get in, you promote it. You get 2 people in it. You're making profit, complete profit, because it's 80% commissions. You're making profit right away once you get 2 people in. There's no reason to cut it off. No reason to give up on it once you get 2 sales. And I've gotten 4 sales, 3 sales really, but I'm 3 people in, so I'm $360 a month, and that's crazy. Now, right now, I'm on process of making. If I get another sale this month, like say if I kept that other person in, I would be on the process of making this a year. If I manage to keep that 3rd person that didn't leave, because this is 4 sales a month here, $74,000 a year, 4 sales a month for a year, and I'm making, that's what I'm making, or $6,000 per month. So I'm making a little bit over 3 so far, maybe around about $4,000 per month right now, maybe a little less than about 4,500 I'd say. Yeah, with 3 sales this year, because I'm getting a sale a week so far as we go. But and if they stay a monthly commission, they got to stay as well, which is pretty easy to do because it's very easy to get a person in. You just need 2 people in. As you noticed, gotten 4 people in, so it's very easy, and you could just build your income. Look at this, $120 per month per person. That's insane, guys. All right, that's all I wanted to show you guys. Yeah, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.